Thank you for choosing Vego Garden. Today we're going to assemble a modular cover system with irrigation. This video can be referenced for all cover system models. Inside the box you'll find an instruction manual, packages of hardware, and all of the parts for your cover system. You will also find a QR code that links to all of our assembly videos. Read through the instructions before beginning assembly and locate the configuration that you will be building. Today we're assembling the VC2080 model, which is made for a 2 by 8 foot Vego Garden bed. First, lay out and identify all the parts of the cover system. You can refer to the parts list inside the manual to identify the parts and tools by their size, shape, and number. The first step is to attach the vertical support poles on the inside of the garden bed. Remove the hardware from the top row of your garden bed and insert an H bolt through the pole and garden bed. Secure using the washer and cap nut that you removed from your garden bed and tighten. Next, assemble the rim of the cover system by connecting the rim parts in the shape of your garden bed. It's easiest to assemble the rim on a flat surface first. Insert the notched end into the smooth end and ensure the pre-drilled holes are aligned. Once the rim is loosely assembled, place it on the top of the vertical support poles and secure the rim to the support poles using an H3 bolt and washer in the places where no bows will connect, which for us is at the two ends. Next, build the bows. Slide a weatherproof tube over the notched end of a bow, and then slide a smooth bow piece into the tube and connect. These waterproof tubes keep moisture out of the interior of the frame. Then, attach a plastic washer to an H3 bolt and secure the bows to the rim and support poles by aligning the pre-drilled holes. Now, your cover system frame is complete. The next step is to install the Mr. Irrigation components if you choose. First, lay out all the parts of your Mr. Irrigation system and read through the instructions. Then, attach the T-fittings to the bow joints using the clips. Pull the clip open with your fingers and stretch the legs of the clip around the bow. Then place the T-fitting into the rounded notch of the clip and hook each leg of the clip back over the bow one by one. Next, connect the short hoses between each T-fitting, matching the pre-cut length to the distance between fittings. Simply push the hose into the fitting to secure. If you find that your short hoses are a bit too long, use the included tool to remove the hose from the fitting and cut to the correct length. Finally, push the hooks onto the vertical support pole of the frame on the end that you want to connect to the water source and spin the notches to the inside of the garden bed. Then, attach the long hose to the end of the last T-fitting and secure it to the clips. If you choose, you can remove hardware from the third bolt hole from the top of the garden bed and feed the irrigation line from the inside to the outside of the garden bed for a neater look. At the end of the long hose, push the adapter onto the hose. The adapter will connect to your garden hose or tap, and you can use the included plumbing tape to prevent leaks at this juncture. The next step is to flush your irrigation system until the water runs smoothly and clearly, usually just for a few minutes. Once the lines are cleared, you can install the Mr. nozzles by pushing them up into the T-fittings. Some nozzles are singular, while others have arms that move. The final step is to close the end of the Mr. Irrigation system opposite of the water tap using the plugs to ensure that your system stays closed. Adjust the direction and flow of your misters as desired and you're all set. Finally, to complete your cover system, install the cover by simply laying the mesh cover over the frame and lining up the edges. Once laid out, secure the cover to the frame using all of the interior Velcro strips. Unzip and fold back the flaps for easy access to your garden. Adjust the misters inside and your cover system and Mr. Irrigation is complete. I hope this video helped you, and I'm wishing you all a beautiful day in your garden.